Hi guys, I'm Rishav and I'm here to share my interview experience with Reliance Industries. First of all, I would like to thank Placement Board for giving me this opportunity to share my experience with all you guys. The profile that Reliance offered in our college was a graduate in engineer in the fields of operation and maintenance in the Reliance petrochemical manufacturing plants located in Gujarat and Maharashtra. I am being from an electrical engineering background. My role was more focused towards the electrical components of the things. The final selection was done on the basis of written tests and interviews. The cumulative scores of both the things were considered. A total of 12 candidates were selected out of 25 candidates and from electrical domain. The shortlisting process of RIL started with a percentage-based shortlisting, in which perhaps everyone with more than 60% and no backlogs were allowed to sit for the process. After this, a written aptitude test and a technical test was conducted. The aptitude test consisted of basic questions of maths and English, which is all 10th level, so no one had any problem with that. And for the technical test, you had questions starting from your 12th standard to your final year engineering. The major emphasis was on electrical machines, electrical drives and power systems. And also a few questions were there on luminous intensity as well, which people found it difficult because that was not taught in our curriculum. After the written test, 25 students were shortlisted on the basis of the aptitude test. All these students were asked to fill a company-specific form consisting of basic HR questions like why do you want to join RIL, what are your career goals, and stuff like that. And after all the candidates had filled up this form, they were collected, and one by one we had to go for the interviews. The interviews lasted for around 15 to 20 minutes for all the candidates. It was a strictly technical interview consisting of 8 to 10 technical questions, and on the basis of which you were judged. I would like to share the experience of my interview. The first question that they asked me was, tell me about yourself. Actually, it was a bit of setback for me because to all the other candidates, they asked just technical questions. But me, the first question was an HR question, tell me about yourself. To which I gave a decent answer, which I had prepared already. Then they discussed about my hobby, which I have told them that it's reading. We discussed about a couple of novels that I have read, the last novel that I have read. And this whole thing continued till about 10 minutes. And then my technical interview started. They asked me around 8 technical questions, all from electrical engineering. They asked me questions from DC machines, transformers, circuit breakers. They asked me about what's the phasor diagram of a transformer, the working principles of a DC machine, and a circuit breaker. And that was most of it, how my interview led. The basic thing is that you should have the complete clarity of the basics of your subjects, and you should be confident. The answer that you are giving, you should be confident about your answer first of all, and you should be clear. You should have clear concepts about your subject. Any further queries? Please like, comment, and subscribe below.